person should always be open to learning.
Absolutely.
We are having a intellectual conversation, Rekha ji.
अच्छा जी.
Yeah. What is that?
One video.
There are only few days in the month where I drink and I become confident.
Very good.
So 2 days that they don't spoil now.
Oh, you go ahead and speak. You be on video.
I need a topic to speak and I need to.
Speak out about yourself.
No, what is this?
You wanted a topic. I'm giving you a topic.
I am not a topic, Rekha ji.
Yeah?
You think I am a topic?
You have to talk about yourself, your life.
Life is very bad right now. It's not going good.
See, my parents have given me a very beautiful name, which is called Rekha. So don't add a G on it.
Excuse me, Rekha ji, listen to me.
There's nothing called a G in my
Excuse
name.
me, please. I want that opportunity to call you G because I have a lot of respect for you.
Very good.
And I cannot call you Rekha.
Okay.
Please,
Okay.
please mind me.
Okay.
Is that correct?
Don't mind.
Acha, don't mind. Is that correct now?
Yes.
Over. Next topic.
You've not spoken about yourself.
I don't want to, Rekha ji. No.
Okay. Talk about your life.
Rekha ji,
Talk about your future.
my future, yeah. I am looking for a very cute, beautiful girlfriend. You drive. Ready driver. Yeah, Rekha ji.
Yeah.
Are you angry that I just scolded your son?
No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah, that's what I like about you.
Very good.
The future,
Not a
yeah.
cute girlfriend.
Cute, not no. A lawyer. That's quite. What do we call that? Not common these days. Loyalty is not a piece of cake.
No, it is not. Definitely not.
Yeah. See, like your son, he's quite loyal. He is the loyalist. If I'm wrong, if I'm right.
Okay.
What is the third superlative of loyal?
There's no third superlative.
What is superlative? Loyal.
Only one loyal.
Achha, okay. The most loyal guy in the world.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. Raghav Singh. Actually, I'm getting to learn a lot from him. What,
Adarniya Mahabali Raghav.
see, what that my take on this is that the people who do not get respect from people. Excuse me. You drive. You are made for driving the car only. You have your purpose in your life. Drive. They demand respect.
So they demand respect by
Changing their usernames. The bloody, what is this? These kids now, I'm telling you, Rekha ji, they are not at all serious. They are just loyal. And loyalty cannot pay your bills. I'm sorry.
yeah. I like that statement of yours.
So,
There are no free lunches.
oh my God, let me note it down. There are no free lunches, yeah. Rekha ji, next topic, please.
You've not even started this topic.
Okay, yeah, my future. So I want to fulfill my dreams.
What are your dreams?
My dream I cannot share right now because they are quite cannot share. Just please understand.
Why do I need to understand?
Sibling,
What's your future?
what's your future, Rekha ji? Let us know about your
In
future.
another 8 years, I want to retire and have a peaceful life.
You are right now also having a peaceful life. You have a cute son. See. Smart,
I'm really thankful
innocent,
that I have
two beautiful
handsome
kids.
sons.
Yeah. I just said beautiful. You said handsome. So we both are on the same track.
Yes.
What are you thinking for the near future?
In another 8 years, I will retire.
Yeah.
And I want to lead a peaceful life.
It's
My
again
own
peaceful.
house.
Okay, yeah.
Surrounded by trees.
Trees, yeah.
Surrounded by small little gardens. Surrounded by kitchen gardens.
Yeah. And Rekha ji, what do we call that? Bahu in English. Your daughter-in-law.
Yeah.
So surrounded by your daughter-in-law also.
No, I don't. They lead their own life. I lead my own
No,
life.
but I no.
I don't want to be a burden on them.
No. A mother is never burden, Rekha ji. Now I'm no. Don't get me started, okay? A mother can never be a burden. A wife is a burden. A wife is a burden. A wife is a burden.
See, that is where you're going wrong.
No. If a wife,
Somebody who marries you leaves her parents.
but then she becomes a burden for my mother. She's a burden for me.
That is your mindset.
Rekha ji,
That's a wrong mindset.
say something right
Your
now.
mother is also somebody's wife.
But she is not. What do we call? Hindi में आ जाऊँगा.
Then it is hypocrisy.
No. Where is hypocrisy?
She is your mother.
If she is my mother,
Wife also, na?
she is wife also, but she is
then
not
she's a
burden to.
burden.
Yeah, let me complete, Narika.
Yeah.
Please, no. See, my mother is not a burden to my father's mother. So that's parallel going, right? Same with you. You are also very nice, in all the aspects, but in the most rare cases where we see that hands are paining. Most rare scenarios where the wife, she does not obey the. I don't want that to use that word obey, but she needs to follow something, na. When you are a wife, you need to do something that. No, I cannot. English is over. I never spoke in English past last week. Oh my God. These small words now, they are making me confident. Okay, next topic. Excuse me. Drive.
Talk something about your friend.
My friend, name my friend, I'll talk about him.
Who's your best friend?
Oh my God, that's low. See, I have a friend named Saurabh Barua.
Okay.
He is with me since my 3rd, 4th class.
Okay.
Yeah, so he is there since childhood. Then, when I was in 9th, there was a guy when I was in 8th, there was a guy in 9th. Why are you laughing? Okay, so when I was in 8th, there was a guy in 9th. When I was in 9th, the guy was in 9th. So, in 9th, when he came, you know what is Shani? That came in my life. And the growth chart that was going upwards, it disappeared. It did not went down, it did not go down actually, yeah, second form. Yeah. It disappeared.
So you had the option to leave that.
You have heard that once a betal clings on your back, it does not leave you.
Oh.
Same happened here. The betal is something like bhoot,
It's a thing.
ghost. It's a superstitious thing. Yes.
It is not superstitious, it is supernatural.
Super is coming now. It's equal. So next question.
So you had to say something about your good friend. You've not said a word. How can he be a good friend if he is a Shani?
Good friends are Shani in real life. That's the pehchan of good friends. Yeah. They make fun of your.
I learned that friend in need is a friend in need.
The next question, please. This is quite diplomatic. I need to avoid these kind of questions. Media will be after me if I answer them.
What do you want to do in your life?
Oh my God. You know what is my first mistake? I'm asking senior manager of HR to ask me questions. Ask me something fun.
Tell me some funny incident in your life.
When I was in 8th, there was a guy in 9th.
So when you
You were in 9th?
he was already
In
there.
9th. Yes.
So did somebody put a gun point on your forehead and said,
Forehead, when we are on forehead, let me complete one thing. That the guy who was in 9th when I was in 8th, and when I was in 9th, he was in 9th. He has a big forehead. I hope you don't mind.
no, I don't. Because I also have a big
No. He has double of you.
No, he can't have double of mine. He's my exact copy.
No, not exact.
Yes.
1 kilometer extra only. Ask me something else now.
Tell me something.
Meri jaan.
What are your hobbies?
Oh yeah. My hobbies are playing cricket.
When was the last time you played cricket?
It was around 2 weeks ago. Yeah. I'm batsman all-rounder. Yeah. I wanted to be a part of Indian cricket team. Due to my financial condition, I could not. Okay, so my hobbies are singing.
Okay, can we hear some songs?
You tell me a song, I'll ruin it for you.
Any of your famous songs?
Yeah.
Who's your famous singer?
Who's my favorite singer? My favorite singer would be, Aman is on the top of the list.
Sing one top chart song of Aman.
Aman's top chart. Actually, it's not written. In near future, he's going to write one. Second favorite would be Atif Aslam.
You sing it?
Hey, कहाँ से शुरू होता है? एक मिनट बताते भूल गया हूँ। जुदा होके भी तू मुझ में कहीं बाकी है, पलकों में बन के आंसू तू चली आती है। How is it?
Oh, nice.
See, confidence matters. I know I'm not a good singer,
No,
but
you are a good singer.
oh my
Not
god.
about that.
Rekha ji, what's your favorite song?
Huh?
That's not a song. That's a sur.
Madhubala.
See yourself from my views. वो गाना बोला उन्होंने, मेरी नजर से तुझको देखो तो
ये
खुद
कौन
को
सा गाना है?
देखो। मधुबाला।
Rekha ji, I'm really sorry. I have not heard that. Next.
मेरी जान.
मेरी जान, मेरी जान, मेरी जान, मेरी जान, मेरी जान, मेरी जान.
वो वाली मेरी जान नहीं.
फिर oh my, you sing. I would have uploaded for you, but one hand is not phone.
Please delete this, okay?
Why?
Yes.
This is going to get viral.
And
Yeah, I'm telling you. Take it in return.
क्या बोला?
Take it in return.
take it in writing.
Take it in writing.
Yes.
Okay. Second time I'm corrected today. See, but my ego is not in between, because
Between what?
in between my learnings. I want to learn, so I have to keep ego side. Again, then you cannot grow. Next question, Rekha ji.
Anji, what do you want to do in your life?
I want to be very, very, very famous, because I have that capability to handle fame. I am very down to earth.
Where?
Where? Down to earth. Gravity down. Yes. I am down to earth because I was never up. I have never experienced.
That was because of your sunny friend.
Rekha ji, 7 crore. This guy, whenever I go up, he pulls my toe down. What is the toe? Angutha.
पंजाब।
Panja, sorry. Yeah. So, we both are down then. Neither he is going up nor me.
So you are sunny for him, he is sunny for you.
I am not shiny for anyone. I am shiny for myself. Because I am having a friend like him. Rekha ji, next question, please. Don't get me started.
What happened to your girlfriend?
Please sing me a song apna bana le. So yeah, to my girlfriend, which girlfriend are you talking about?
Whichever left you, just go.
So we'll not take her name. So what happened is, she was never mine.
Oh,
Yeah,
she
it was
somebody else's.
every time, every moment she was others, but she was everyone's but mine. So I got to know about a guy she was quite into. Yeah, and my heart shattered that moment.
Shattered.
It shattered. I mean, it was broken into thousands and thousands of pieces.
दिल के टुकड़े हजार हुए, कोई यहाँ गिरा, कोई वहाँ गिरा.
आगे आगे
गाना है ये।
अच्छा गाना है okay but that girl see that audacity of that girl she didn't even tell me that she's seeing someone else she promised me that the moment she likes someone else she'll tell me I'll be the first guy who'll know that
Then how come she's your girlfriend?
she was never my girlfriend this guy was lying to you
Then
it was
why are you heartbroken?
because I loved her
Achha, so then it's a one-sided.
मतलब one-sided love it was Rekha ji and I've always been in
You can't blame her for it.
I'm not blaming
Because
I am blaming because of her actions because she said that she will tell me
that's okay.
that's not okay
Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
she lied to me na
No, she did not.
why she said the person she'll tell me that she likes that guy but she was already liking someone else she was baby kuchu kuchu going on there she did not tell me
That's her personal life. Why should you interfere in that?
I was also personal to her she was also personal to me we used to go to no yeah I wish we could but we never we roamed the city
Wow.
in her car
Wow.
yes a lot
Very good.
nothing happened no it was platonic from her side this word which platonic I used na this is the most difficult word I learned this year
Okay, you only learned it after your relationship.
no that was not a relationship that was not a relationship
Oh, when your relationship went off grid.
of grade yeah whatever you can say that platonic word that's a trauma for me whenever I hear platonic I remember that girl so let's not talk about love because I am unlucky in love I'm the most
No, this is one of the girlfriends. What about the others?
I never had girlfriends I had one girlfriend 4 years back she cheated
Just now
on
you said you never had girlfriend.
I mean I don't consider her
Going back on your words.
Rekha ji will you please listen to me
Yes, Amanji.
yeah. No don't call me Aman ji because I don't deserve respect
Every woman deserves respect.
I don't. Because the things which I have done now, I don't. Neither your son. Because we have done together. So if I don't, then he also does not.
जो हमने कांड किए हैं हम
हाँ.
उसके गुनहगार नहीं है.
Yes. Because it was 4 years back
Okay.
when I used to have a girlfriend, so-called girlfriend. It
For
was
3 years.
For 4 years. It was all when school time now. When college started, her hormones फूट गए, burst.
Hormone burst.
Yes, she saw too many guys in her college. She thought, oh my god, too many options. Yeah, Oman is not only the one. She went to everyone. She did not leave any guy. But then, Rekha ji, the plot twist. She came back.
To you.
Yeah,
Wow.
but Rekha ji, listen to me.
I'm listening only.
I did not go back. I know, I did not.
Very good.
On her face, I said, no. Go back.
Simon, go back.
Yes, that kind of protest I did. She was crying. She said, please come, no. Please. I said, no. You have been with other guys. You enjoyed.
अच्छा.
Then you are coming back to me and saying you did not enjoy. Am I a toy to you?
Okay.
That you will throw me, use me, then you will again pick me up? Rekha ji, I have a self-esteem. I have my self-respect. I cannot be back with someone that cheater. I said go. Rekha ji, let me tell you one thing more. Her mother called me. She said, it's so kiddish, please forgive my daughter. I said no. Everything that has happened because it meant to be. Rekha ji, next question. I'll cry. We have reached to Sector 1 flyover.
Yes.
Oh my god. Bhai, a round of applause for this driver.
Yes.
Wow. These drivers these days wear good clothes. You have to go to office tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh my god. At what time?
Morning.
So you will be able to get up.
Yes.
Oh, you are quite hardworking.
Yes.
That's why you are there and I am here. Because of your hard work. No, I am learning from you.
You will also grow up.
I want to. And hope your words come true.
Yes. Hard work will always pay off.
Is it sure? Does that happen every time?
Yes.
Hard work pays off.
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes. As long as you are 100% honest to your work,
Okay.
it will pay off.
Be it any field.
Be it any field. You have to be 100% honest.
Jega ji, thank you so much for coming to my podcast. How do you like my English?
Oh, that's nice.
Are you sure?